Bulging back disc? Consider this.
When I was experiencing back pain and diagnosed with a bulging disc, I tried all sorts of different physical means to release it. Foam rolling, massage, stretching, chiro. And then one day I was laying there and slipped into a deep meditative state. And when I came out, my back felt completely different. And it made me realize how much my mind was affecting my body. And because of that, I believe that diagnosing the body just based on physical symptoms isn't always the best way to get to the root cause of what's causing aches and pains. We also need to consider what are the mental, emotional, environmental factors that are pulling the body out of balance. I'm Benny Ferguson, founder of Movement Monk. We teach mindful fitness and healing for those who value health, movement, and personal growth.